Man, what should we do? I know we can pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Good morning, class. Today we'll be doing math. Hey, Chick, maybe we should pull that fire alarm. Now let Jackson's. We can pull that fire alarm. Let's. Alright, is everyone here? Take this. Oh no, we have to get out of here quickly. Alright, is everyone here? Yes, we're here. But anyways, someone pulled that fire alarm. Do you know what? I'm calling Lightning McQueen. Oh. Jackson the Thunderstorm, Miles Axelrod, Chicken McNugget Hicks, and Leroy Hemming. How dare you pull that fire alarm and get expelled? Today is punishment day. First punishment, swinging with the belt, spanking you with the belt. Second punishment, punching you. Ow. 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 That hurts so bad. Third punishment, eating peppers. No, we don't like peppers. Now eat it. Is that good? It tastes so bad. Fourth and last punishment, calling the cops. Hello? Can you please get them arrested? That sounds goodbye. Jackson Storm, Leroy Hemming, Sir Miles Axelrod, Chick Hicks. You're under arrest for putting that fire alarm. Get in the police. Come with me right now. This is your jail cell. You'll be staying in this jail for the rest of the useless life. Have a good day. Do you know what this means? You're bonded for life. You will not be able to play the PlayStation or go to your house. Go to Francesco Bernoulli's house today. Stay in this jail forever so you can come out.